leadership at Cisco?
Well, if you watch what Cisco does world class, we've never missed on a succession plan. When we change leaders like Rick Justice and Rob Lloyd, you didn't even notice it occurred. Dennis Powell to Frank, you didn't even notice it occurred. Same thing will occur for me. I'll probably move to chairman next, assuming that's what my customers and board and others want. But you and I committed to the board and to our leaders and to our customers 3 to 5 years, just a short time ago. Assuming my health holds up and that our employees want us and our customers and shareholders want us, that's, I will be here a minimum of 3 to 5 more years on. But that will occur smoothly, just like every other one. I love this company. If you watch the way we're structured, this is a pretty different organization structure that the next generation of leaders will be leading, and they will be very experienced on it. So my goal is that you won't even notice when I move from one position to the other if I do my job right. But barring a surprise, or be disappointing, that's going to be at least 3 to 5 years.
Thank you, John.
Hi John, I'm Padmasree from CR in India.
Yeah.
We've been hearing a lot about video from you, and a lot of your product innovation future strategy revolves around the availability of broadband, which remains poor in India and many other countries. So how do you propose to tackle that?
I'm going to have Padma handle part of the question, but let me address the overall issue. This is why you've got to work with governments around the world. If you're truly trying to address 3 billion people who make for less than $3 a day and give them a chance for job creation, healthcare, and education, you've got to have effective broadband. And this is why we often work both with what regulations do you need, how do you kickstart this, sometimes even doing it ourselves in terms of donation, etc. to do it, and to have people that bring that expertise and the direction on it, and describe broadband for where it's going to be in the future, not where it's been in the past on that. Probably?
Yeah, I think there's 2 ways to look at the broadband situation in India, right? There's mobile broadband and there's fixed broadband. And we're working with the government of India to kind of propose alternatives for where what might be applicable. Because if you think about video, for example, to provide educational solutions and bring the cost down to, or a healthcare solution and bring the cost down to $1 per patient, you might need to set up, perhaps you don't need to have distributed broadband, but a particular location that is central to many rural areas may have broadband, and you set up health business units there and offer it as a service to people. So there's many ways of innovatively doing that, which would be, I think, different. But obviously having the full broadband penetration is the ultimate goal, but there will be phases to get there.
So is this worthwhile for you? Is it reasonable in terms of the exchange?
Yeah.
Think about what we can do to make it better. And it is a chance for us to learn too, and I want to thank you for the candor and direction. If I were to wrap it up, our whole strategy is based around catching market transitions, really understanding what the differentiation strategy for us and our partners can be in those transitions, setting the rules, if you will, and then the execution of that differentiated strategy, winning the game. And as simple as that sounds, that's what we're based on. We try to catch transitions, we compete on that, not against competitors. It doesn't mean we won't have a lot of good competitors, we absolutely will, and I hope we have more because that means you're in good markets. And we'll understand the strengths and limitations of those competitive strategies, but we will win or lose based upon did we get our transitions right, did we get our organization structures right, etc. But different than a year ago, I can look you right in the eye and say the organization structure is really working well. And the ability to do on multiple 30 adjacencies, right now all 30 are on plan or above. It won't stay that way. And that means we probably haven't done above, even though my team gets nervous when I say that. But it does speak to perhaps the role of the network has changed. Network's the platform for all forms of business and government process change. It will be the way that all of IT and communications, our opinion, will be delivered, and it gives us and our partners huge opportunities in the future. So I'm not as much worried about growth as I am execution and have we got the transition right. So with that, anything else to add in the question? That's great. Thanks very much, John. All right.